Nina cannot complete the review pay work item and wishes to give it to Max to complete. Hi, my name is Andreas Sense and this video is part of a series on resource patterns in YAWL. Today we talk about stateful reallocation. The ability of a resource to allocate a work item that they are currently executing to another resource without loss of state data. You can see the behavior in the following flash animation. So here we have the flash animation of stateful reallocation. We start it now and we can see Nina is executing a review pay work item and she has half finished it but not yet completed, and Nina cannot complete the review pay work item and wishes to give it to Max to complete. So now this work item is now reallocated to Max, and Max has the state here that's been saved by Nina, and then he goes to execute the rest of the work item and then completes it. In YAWL we can implement this using a task privilege called allow work item reallocation with retained state. In order to use this privilege, we also need a user who is in a position where others report to him. So here we are, the specification on top, just one task, review pay, and then we have Max on the left hand side and Nina on the right hand side. And as you can see, we already have a review pay work item started for Nina, and now she will start working on it. And for example, let's say she enters a number here, so this is the state that she now changes, and remember we are in stateful, so we do not complete the work item, we save the current state. So this is what we have to do. And now she wants to forward it to Max and she can reallocate it, so reallocate stateful. This is the privilege that we have here, and we do this, and now we get a selection and we can select Max here. And Max is one participant that reports to Nina. And now we refresh the work queue of Max, and Max works on the work item. You can see the state has been preserved. What Nina entered is still in here, and then he completes the work item. Note that stateful reallocation can only be done with started work items. Here you can see that this resource pattern has a direct implementation in YAWL. Thank you for watching.